So, working environment. What is the meaning of the environment in the Tekla means? The environment means region, specific setting and information. So you can see the snap over here. It's a pop-up window when you are opening the Tekla software, and you will see the environment tab over there. So in the pull down menu you will get almost they have all the countries. You can see I have mentioned over here the environments available in Tekla structure are default environment, Australia, Brazil, and lot of countries are there. So basically now what kind of standard you are using while you are doing the AutoCAD detailing? So what kind of standards you are using over there? It's I mean Indian standard or US standard or UK standard.
AISC.
So it's a US standard, right?
Yes, US standard.
Yeah. So basically that's what. So these are the standards only from the other countries also. So they have each and every standard in their database. So basically what it defines the as per the country wise the standards are different. So the profiles, the material grades, the values, the connection, variables, reports and templates, it's everything different in each and every country standards. So that is what basically is a working environment. So did you understand what is the environment means?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, you can ask me also if you have any doubt or something
Okay, sir.
immediately. It's no problem. Feel free to ask any kind of question, no problem.
All right.
Yeah. So basically the second tab you can see also there is a role. In the role actually you will come to see what kind of detailing you are going to use. Like if, this is a pull down menu. Once you pull down you will get the options like steel detailing or concrete detailing or architecture or many more and also configuration also. So this is the shortcut menu of Tekla structure. So now I'm opening that software. So see, uh, so this is you will get pop-up window when you are double clicking on that shortcut menu. So this is the environment tab. Right now I haven't installed all the environment. I have the default environment US Imperial, US Metric, but when you are installing the software, it will give you all the options which I shown you. These countries like Australia, France, Germany, Greece, Norway. A lot of countries are there. So it's basically in which country you are working or uh, what kind of standard you are going to use. It's depend on that. So you can install that environment. So this is the role. In the pull down menu you can see cast in place, contractor, engineering, precast detailing, steel detailing, and many more are there, but I have installed these are the things, main things. So basically we are going to use steel detailing. Then the configuration, what kind of for what kind of purpose, you are using this Tekla software. So that is the configuration means. So are you the project viewer or a drafter or a manager, construction modeling or an engineer, cast in place. So many more options are there for the educational purpose, developer purpose. So you can take that license as per your requirement, and you can start work over here. So once you set this all the options as per your requirement, you have to click OK. The first time it will take little time. Okay. So this is a basically pop-up window will come up when you open the Tekla software. Are you able to see? Okay, so this is the basically the pop-up window will come out when you open the software. So let's turn to this. Sorry, are you understand how to open this Tekla software, or did you want to show me again?
Yes, sir.
You both are getting how to open the software?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so basically Tekla you can use single and as far as in the group also. So if you are using in a single mode, that they call a single user. If you are using in the group, or if you have any many licenses, so they call the multi-user. So basically in this slide you can see how to open Tekla model in single and multi-user. To open a single user model, it's a simple thing. Once you open the model, there is, you can see here model type. Okay, so there is only one person is there, the symbol is there, so it's in the single user. And the same thing if you want to use in a multi-user, so you have to right click on this and that will pop up open as a multi-user model. Okay, so basically when the multi-user model there is, I can tell you, like in the big companies, if they're having the big projects, so they're having the many licenses, like right now we have the more than 25 licenses. So what they will basically do, they will keep a separate model, and they will keep separate a server. So anyway, we will get into that presentation also, but uh, the idea is to tell that in this slide how to open the multi-user model. So it's very easy, and you can identify easily if it's a symbol of one person, it's in the single user, and if it's in the if you want to open it as a multi-user, you can just right click and it will pop up and it will ask you whether open as a multi-user model. So this is the basic thing.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, the same thing which I told you, enter the server name. When once you open as a multi-user, it will ask you the server name. I can show you. See, it will ask you the server name. That will open the one pop-up, and then you have to give the server name. Maybe you are administrator. This is administrator part actually, but I am giving you the idea for the software.
Okay. Okay.
So they will provide you all these settings, and they will responsible for these things. And so once you have given the name, you can able to open the model in multi-user. You can switch anytime single to multi-user and vice versa. But when you are using in the multi-user, you should not use in a single user model. So keep it in that mind because that is very important point. Okay, so this is how the multi-user system. So you can see here in the one-off system they have kept it one master model, and one-off system they have kept it a Tekla structure server. So from that, basically what is the Tekla structure server? Tekla structure server means it's a background, it's a pop-up window which plays all the background data for the model. It will give the data how many users are connected to that master model. So basically that is the Tekla structure server, and the main model they will keep it separately. So from there they can access to each and every server. So like the Tekla client, if they want to access for your that master model, they can also access that model. Even the other users also. So at the same time, you can use that as a master model.